Hey, what is going on, guys? So we're finally back and doing some projects in the new garage, which I'm super excited about, and thankfully we have some good lighting going on here. But today's video, you can tell by the title, I want to go ahead and clean these daggone lights up here with this 3M kit that I found at, I think it was O'Reilly's or whatever. I don't know how much it was. I'll put it up here on the screen. But yeah, you've seen me before in the video I've done where I basically just took one of my correcting pads and, you know, pretty much just kind of buffed away that like haziness. Well, y'all, I gotta intervene. Dude, if you know how to stop this, please let me know, because I want to stop it before it like, you know what I mean? I'm obviously gonna have to repaint these things, but this is driving me absolutely insane. So please help me with that. But yeah, y'all saw me last time where I basically kind of got the haziness out just with buffing it and then putting some wax on it. But that was almost about a year and a half ago, if not almost two. So it's been a good while, and you can tell they are back to being hazy. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. But hold on, y'all, let's take a second, because I just spent the past few hours cleaning this whole girl up. Look at the shininess. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all, tell y'all what, boy, when you clean the inside of a truck, dude, and you get to riding it the whole time all week, it just sets your mood off, man. It sets your mood off. It makes you feel good. It's the base. But I went up in here. Oh yeah, you can't really see, but we are stupid clean, boys. Look at this setup we got going on here. That's tight. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we're looking good, but we want to go ahead and get this haziness out of here because I'm tired of seeing it, and especially with the truck being clean. Let's go ahead and do it just to put the cherry on top, make it look real good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this kit. But first off, if you have these type of trucks, you know that it actually goes, the light goes back probably like another 1/4 inch that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, I'm gonna take that grill off just to go ahead and get it out of the way so I can do the whole thing and not have to worry about hitting it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Yeah, and see, like I was saying, how you can even tell that this is pretty much protected behind the grill. So yeah, we pretty much want to make, you know, turn this into that. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do the whole thing, and now we got her all nice and cleaned up. We're gonna go ahead and get to that thing. All right, so let's open this thing up, and I already kind of dug in just to see if I needed to do some stuff with the lights, or I needed like any sunlight. We're gonna just follow the instructions back on here. So we've already pretty much done that, the cleaning with it, because I've washed the whole truck. So we'll go ahead and keep moving on. So let's go. So we got a little pad for my drill, which I got over to the left side. Here's some of the sandpaper. So we got more in there. Give me a glove. Cool, I appreciate that. Go ahead and pull out everything we need. So we got more sandpaper. It seems to be just sandpaper, and then, oh yeah, here we go. So there's that clear coat that we're going to be putting on that's going to make everything look perfect. So that'll be nice, and pretty much the rest is the finishing sandpaper. Oh, they actually give you painter's tape so you can tape it off, dude. That's a roll right there, dude. Like that's no joke. I can actually continue to use that. So I appreciate you, 3M. Let's go ahead and tape off the rest, and then we'll continue. All right, we are all taped up on both sides, and it does not look nice, but it'll work, because that's what it's supposed to do. We're gonna go on to step 3, which pretty much talks about just putting on the little drill connect here, which I've already done. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our 500, which are these guys right here, stick it on, and then keep her going. Pretty much says just put on that 500 and, you know, get to sanding. So let's go ahead and do that. it says it should be like kind of like a frost white, which I think that's probably most of what that should look like. So I think we got all of it off. And check this out, y'all. Look at this. Look at this, boy. That's not even meant for that, but it just fits in there. Anyway, but yeah, see how it's saying supposed to look frosted? So I think that looks pretty frosted. So we're gonna go on to the next step.
Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gonna forget it. I've been going up, they've been staying.
Alright, y'all, so we've just used the 800 grits, and it is looking pretty good, pretty foggy. And I think we've got out most of the 500 grit scratches with the 800. So we're gonna go ahead and use that 3000, which is recommended to do now. So use the 3000, kind of get a little wet, and just, you know what I mean? And then see what happens, move on to the next step.
I forgot it, no. Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down, down. Till the lights go down, down. I've been feeling alright. I've been taking what's mine. I've been running out of time.
Alright, y'all, so we went ahead and got this thing all nice and pretty. Had to go and do a couple corrections, especially around some of these bends right here. Just had to kind of give a little bit of an angle. But I think it looks pretty good. It says it should look like this. It still should have a little bit of frostiness and haze to it, but it's a lot less coarse than the other sandpaper. So yeah, looks pretty daggone good if you ask me. But now we're actually on to pretty much the final step. So it gives you these two wipes like I kind of pulled out earlier, but it says one's a first coat, one's a final for both. And I have yet to do the right side. So I've just been kind of experimenting, making sure I do everything good on this side. So without boring you, I'm gonna go ahead and do that side really quick, and then we'll come back when the clear coat's ready to go on. All right, y'all, so we went ahead and got this one all done up, which looks really good. It's nice and smooth. I'm not gonna touch it because I just wiped it with some glass cleaner. But yeah, they wanted me to remove all the contaminants and everything that we did. Basically that kind of that like slurry stuff, that like kind of sludge or whatever. But yeah, so it's real nice and smooth. Now it says to remove the tape. So I guess this is the clear coat time, so looking forward to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape, and then we'll get to that step. All right, so we're at the step of clear coat, and just took all the tape off, wiped it down, it's good to go. And it says that these two are basically identical. So we're gonna go ahead and take one and do our first coat, and then we'll do the second with our final coat. And yeah, so let's get into it. Y'all, first coat is on, and it says to wait about 5 to 15 minutes to let this one dry. It is pretty humid out today, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it maybe like 20 minutes max, just to kind of speed this process up. But so far it doesn't look too bad. Not on camera, but to the human eye it's pretty good too. So let's see what happens about 20 minutes. All right, it's been about, let's say like 20 minutes, something like that. So kind of still look the same, so let's go ahead and get this second coat on. All right, here we go. So now we're at the part where it's talking about pretty much just allow to dry to touch. So it says wait 1 hour to expose or rain. We don't have any rain coming, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and put all the accessories back on the truck. So I'm going to get that kind of taken care of. But I mean, so far it's not so bad. I guess it's still kind of wet, might need to dry some, but it's a whole lot better than it was, I tell you that. And also, I don't recommend doing this after you just wash the thing, because I pretty much went and got the quick detailer and wiped off the entire sides of the truck on both ends, and had a bunch of freaking dust and crap. So, but I mean, hey, this looks pretty good. And this is very promising. Hopefully it'll last a lot longer. And it definitely did take all that yellow off, so I like it. But we're not gonna even go off of this because this is kind of artificial light. We're gonna wait till the morning to see how it looks when I'm going to work. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble this thing. Just before I go though, I wanted to show you this. Check this out. Yeah. Woo. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look how crystal clear that looks. Dude, that's no joke. It's so clear in person, y'all. You have no idea. I think honestly, it's just these headlights are getting just a little old, so they kind of might have a little bit of a haze to them just naturally, but I think it looks freaking good. The light output's pretty solid. You can see the straight lines very well with the light, but yeah, dude, it looks really good. I think it'll look amazing in the sun. But yeah, so see you in the morning. All right, you guys, so far this morning, just got to work and such. They look pretty decent. I think I might have messed up a little bit on the passenger side, but here, check it out. You know, obviously this is the driver's side. I think it looks pretty daggum good. Not too bad at all. That one came out pretty solid, but for some reason, this one has like some streaks in it. I don't know if you can see them very well, but see those like lines in there? I don't know what that's about. But it does look a lot better than it did before, so I guess I'll take it. But yeah, we'll wait till it gets a little bit brighter out here, and we'll come and see it and see how it looks. All right, Joe, so I know it's not broad day. It's actually like 6:30, but I would say they look still pretty good. I think I pointed out earlier, you can still see a lot of the like micro scratches in there. So I probably should have done a better job at sanding, but I think this is the only one that kind of looks bad. This one is not terrible. They do look a bit better, I would say. They'd look a lot better than what they were. A lot more clear. And with the lights, they definitely help out. But yeah, bro, it freaking rained like all yesterday, which I was gonna finish my video on, but I couldn't walk outside because it was freaking pouring, bro. But also, check this out. Like, I put that little ceramic wax stuff that McGuire sells. I'll throw a picture up here of what it looks like. I just wanted to try it out. And basically, all they did was kind of put wax into a spray bottle and then make you think that it's wax. That's my opinion, what I think it is. So, but look, the truck's like still super clean. Besides, you know, whenever it does rain, that happens. Whatever, but yeah. Not too bad. All right, y'all, as things go, it's a week later actually, but we went ahead and kind of wiped them off just for this video. Here's them in the sun now that I caught it. You know, like I said before, I think they just either getting old or I did something wrong. And I don't know, because you can kind of still see like it looks like it's pretty rough. And then this side, I think this is all my fault, as you can obviously tell. Those scratches in there kind of stink. So this is my fault right here, I would say. I mean, even though it's smooth as butter, those scratches are still up in there. And, you know, it doesn't look as clean as it should. So I think, I don't know if it's just me or if everything don't work as well as I thought. But, I mean, it does look better than before. I won't completely discredit it, but yeah, I like it. It made it look good that night whenever I had it all detailed up and whatnot, but I don't know if it's like the absolute solution, you know what I mean? But still, looks pretty daggum good. Makes your truck pop. And yeah, dude, those are irritating me so bad, dude. I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to deal with it, but you know. Anyway, still looks good though. Still looks kind of clean. So, but all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you're going to try this out, definitely probably do a little bit of a better job than I did. Go a little slower, make sure you get all those scratches out. If it works for you, check it out. You probably could do better with some like legitimate clear coat, maybe not the white version, or you could go like how I did a couple years ago and go with just completely buffing it and then waxing it, which in my opinion, worked a lot better, which I might try after this just to see what happens. I feel like it might help it a little bit, but I don't know if it's really gonna make a huge difference compared to what it is now. So we'll probably give it a shot sometime in the future just to see what happens. But if not, there you go, to see how that thing works on these headlights. So yeah, that's all it is. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and supporting. Told you we're gonna get these videos start coming out, and as always, like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. It's your choice, and we'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.